Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bridge Polygon to BNB Smart Chain. So let's get started. First, you want to open your web browser and go to portalbridge.com. That's the official token bridge site we'll be using. And once you're there, you'll see two drop downs, one labeled from and the other one labeled to. So what you want to do here is you want to change set from to Polygon. So just type it in here and to change this to BNB. There we go. That tells the bridge where your funds are coming from and where they're going. Next, you'll need to connect your source wallet. This is the wallet holding your Polygon. So let's click connect source wallet. And you want to select, well, I'm going to select MetaMask here, but you need to select whichever wallet you use. Right now, what we need to do is just give Portal Bridge permission to access it by pressing connect. There we go. Next, you'll want to connect your destination wallet. Now, the destination wallet, which needs to support BNB, in this tutorial, we'll use Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and choose, let's go ahead and click this and choose Phantom Wallet. There we go. So if it's your first time, same thing. All you have to do is just grant permission to link it, right? Now, once both wallets are connected, simply enter the amount of Polygon you want to transfer and you want to bridge. Just remember to leave a little Polygon for gas fees. And once that's done, all you have to do is just click review transaction, confirm it, and wait a few minutes. That's it. You've successfully bridged your Polygon to BNB Smart Chain. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.